Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing Spice Breeze. If you're not familiar with Spice Breeze, this is a monthly culinary spice subscription box. They have two different options. There's like a little piece of fuzz in front of me. This one is the quad, which includes 4 spice kits. That could include 1 spice, 2 spices, 3 spices. Sometimes there's 4 of those, and it comes with a corresponding recipe. When you choose the quad, get to choose 2 of your recipes each month, and then the other 2 are what's also included in the duo. They choose for you. The duo is 2 recipe kits or spice kits. The duo is $5.90. The quad is $11.85. I will link down below to my full review. I always make one of the recipes if you're interested in seeing the level of ability involved. Some of them are a little harder than others. I know some I consider like a Sunday meal, like when you have the whole day, and some are weeknight meals. They're a little less involved, but they always taste wonderful, and it's just fun. Like my daughter said to me, my 11-year-old, she's got a really great palate, like just an interesting palate for a kid. She was like, "Mom, I like when you make the exotic meals. When were we going to make one of those again?" Because I had made, what did I make? Oh, we made like a Aussie burger or something. Anyway, this one's really good. I don't know what's in here. You don't have to pick your 2 either. If you just want a complete surprise, you can ignore it. They send like out an email. I love a surprise, and I just, I don't want to be overwhelmed with choices. I want you to tell me. That's why I like subscription boxes. I don't like to choose. It's so hard. Just let the universe bring you what it will. That's my philosophy. All right. Spice Breeze Culinary Spice Box. Nigella is the spice of the month. Look at it, beautiful. This is the September one. I'm so behind. All right. So you open it up and you have your recipes right here on top. These do fold over and you'll have like a card, and then you can put these in a binder, on a ring, whatever. And then this is the best part. Look at the beautiful spices. I just love spices. I just love the way they look. All right. So our first recipe, I do not know what I'm going to make. All right. Is a Buddha bowl, which I can eat this, even on I'm like on a whole food diet. I told you that, guys, that. So this is a vegetarian thing. It's an Asian culinary spice kit. All that's included in this seasoning packet is coarse brown mustard and nigella seeds. So I will show you that. There it is. Nigella is that black color. I don't remember what it tastes like. I watched the Great British Bake Off, and I hear all these words on there. I'm like, oh, I know that. I know that seasoning. I saw it on GBB. Oh. All right, so there's a Buddha bowl. It's a colorful vegetarian 1 bowl meal, right? So it is like, if you're on like a whole food diet, this is a great option for you. Anyway, I should have said that when I was reading it, but I didn't think to. All right, next up we have shakshuka. It's an Israeli culinary spice kit. This is the origin of this might be from Turkey or Spain or Tunisia, but the Israeli version has a beautiful top of poached eggs and is famous around the world. It's a tomato stew with vegetables and has a little bit of heat. So in this you have 2 spice packets. One is cumin, paprika, marash pepper flakes, and then the second is sesame sumac. You guys know I love me some sumac. I put that on everything, by the way, like everything. Coriander, thyme, cumin, and black pepper. And so for our, what's this? Shakshuka. I know, I'm sorry. I'm probably not saying it right, but anyway. All right, so here's one shakshuka. The first one, and then here's the second. All right, our next recipe is, my nose just got itchy, yikes. Okay, blackened fish. This is a Cajun dish. You guys probably have heard of it. Great for fish or poultry. The blackening seals the juice in the fish or meat in the seasoning crust. Use it on outside grill. I'm probably going to skip this one this month, just to be honest, because I'm not grilling. It's been way too rainy in southeastern Pennsylvania. So in our culinary spice kit, we have, it's just 1 packet. It includes paprika, garlic, yellow mustard, onions, black peppercorns, oregano, cumin, cayenne, thyme, bay leaf, celery seeds. And that's that. And I will show you that beautiful packet right here. It's pretty red for being called blackened seasoning. All right, anyway. I know, wasn't that funny? So this is different. Spice Breeze flavor box. This is nigella seeds. This doesn't have a recipe. It's like a card. I've never had this one before. Maybe I missed the memo. So basically the nigella, which is right here, this beautiful black spice, you're just going to like creatively use it, or maybe they have stuff online. There is a whole lot here about down there in nigella on the big art card. But it says here, take some of your nigella seeds and chew them pure to experience the broad Mediterranean flavor. Taste the hint of oregano and of toasted sesame. Nigella, also called black cumin, spread from southern Europe to North Africa, Middle East, and India. It's best used by adding the whole seeds to a finished dish, so it's going to be like a topping. Try the following recipe inspirations as a starting point for your own creativity. Make a homemade pizza. Heat up naan bread or top it with garlic, coriander powder, olive oil, and nigella seeds. Optionally add some fresh rosemary. Create a twist on your creamy hummus dip. Ooh, that sounds good. Or a cheese with a new nutty flavor. Ooh, girl. Nigella seeds adds crunch to your vegetable. Side dishes. Try them on sauteed cauliflower and potato cubes or on a pumpkin tofu. I just made sweet potatoes today. I'm going to put them on there. I don't know if that'll go together because it's sweet and this sounds like it's a little more nutty, but it might work. I'm always surprised sometimes. And then sprinkle nigella seeds over any salad. For instance, a salad from freshly grated red radish, daikon, or turnip with a vinaigrette from lemon juice and vegetable oil. Add nigella and honey to a Mediterranean-style bread. So there's all those, and then they have these beautiful images. Oh, what will I do? I don't even know. Maybe I'll get 2 recipes this month. Anyway, I'm going to link down below to my full review. I will also link to Spice Breeze so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.